benefiting from China's ban. DeFi and DEX markets will usher in another wave of growth. Compared with the 5% to 10% decline of U.S. technology stocks, and considering the linkage between U.S. stocks and cryptocurrencies, the performance of the cryptocurrency market last week can be said to be quite outstanding. Although Bitcoin once dropped by $40,000 as the fear of China's ban subsided, it has gradually returned to $47,000, and Ethereum has also exceeded $3,000. At present, the market has become calm and no longer full of panic as in the previous 2 weeks. In terms of the current situation, cryptocurrency investors are more worried about the uncertainty of the U.S. market than China's official suppression policy. This is also the main factor for the sharp drop in U.S. stocks last week. The market is worried about the annual adjustment of the U.S. debt ceiling, which will have a significant impact by then. On the other hand, although the Fed has stated several times that the easing policy will continue to buy U.S. bonds in the short term, judging from the performance of U.S. bond yields, some investors have gradually withdrawn funds in order to reduce risks, causing the yield to rise to the nearest level. The monthly high rose from 1.25% to 1.5%. The above two short-term market sentiments have hit the performance of U.S. risk assets, but the long-term impact is not significant. Because Chinese users were blocked by the government, they began to turn their attention from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges. For this reason, they withdraw cryptocurrencies one after another. In the future, they will turn to decentralized exchanges. In the future, the Chinese government will not be able to control them, so they don't need to worry about the impact of China's ban, which is why the dYdX token skyrocketed from $12 to more than $20 in 1 week, an increase of more than 70%. Therefore, the DeFi market is expected to usher in another wave of growth. Affected by the Chinese government's total ban on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin fell below $40,000 last Monday. But at present, many investors have found that the market is overpriced. Bitcoin has rebounded to $34,000, and Ether has returned to $3,000. The negative news about China's ban on all major pages has faded, which means that the market no longer cares about the news of China's ban. With the update of the information, the inventory of Bitcoin on the exchange continues to decrease, which means that large investors continue to acquire Bitcoin chips. At present, professional investors are still optimistic about the market sentiment. But as mentioned in the weekly report, this wave has the greatest impact on Orbi and OKX exchanges, which are based on Chinese users still saw nearly 20% drop in their platform currencies. dYdX and Uniswap are the biggest beneficiaries of China's suppression. Investors expect that Chinese users will gradually turn to decentralized exchanges for trading. They are optimistic that these two platforms can receive a large number of Chinese users and usher in the next wave of revenue growth. Making their weekly performance amazing, dYdX rose 70%, Uniswap also 15%. The above highlights the greatest value of cryptocurrency, decentralization. Even a national blockade cannot destroy the cryptocurrency market, because it exists all over the world in the form of decentralization and decentralized computing. No one can stop cryptocurrency from continuing to exist. We don't need to worry about the collapse of the cryptocurrency market. We just have to patiently observe how far the cryptocurrency can fly. The global digitization pace is faster than imagined. The value of cryptocurrency has also been recognized by mainstream institutions, especially Ethereum and NFT and DeFi. Many interesting applications have been developed, and more institutions are also launching digital products on Ethereum. For example, TikTok has launched NFT products. In the future, more technology companies will launch NFT-based digital products. The resulting online business opportunities will be huge. We are optimistic about the growth of the fundamentals of the Ethereum platform for a long time. The decentralized AWS has its future growth potential much higher than the current market value of $350 billion, and there is no problem with it up to $1 trillion.